you see subtraction and exponents together, you should immediately think about the square difference formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a squared minus b squared is equal to the sum of a and b times the difference of a and b. Alright, so this is a very important formula that in this entire course you're going to need, and even more once you get to middle school and high school. So this is a very important formula, especially in algebra. Let's first analyze the fraction we have here. The top is really a subtraction between two parentheses. One is all of the consecutive even numbers squared, and then the other one is added together, and the other one is all of the consecutive odd numbers squared added together. And on the denominator, we see just a consecutive adding of numbers from 1 all the way to 100. So let's first look at this top. The top is really the hardest thing right here. Well, we can first see how the square difference formula might apply to this. First, I'm going to match up 2 and 1, 4 and 3, 6 and 5, because it's hard to find anything if there's so many numbers all at once. I'm going to start with one pair at a time. So our first pair is 2 squared minus 1 squared. Well, that's equal to 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 1. Since 2 minus 1 is 1, it is 3. Let's try our next pair. 4 squared minus 3 squared. And again, 4 minus 3 is 1, but 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. And what about 6 squared minus 5 squared? 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Now this is just a equal difference number sequence where all of after you do these pairs it's 3. It's 3 plus 7 plus 11, and see how it's going up by 4. 3 to 7 is 4, 7 to 11 is 4. Next one might be 15, and then 19. Now, since these are all odd numbers, you can use the odd number addition formula again, and it will get you to 50, 50 over 50, 50, 50. And now the bottom is easier, right? We pair it up. The smallest is the greatest, the second smallest is the second greatest, the third smallest is third greatest, and all of that. And what is 1 plus 100? That would be 101. And then 2 plus 99 is also 101. And now, so that would be 101. And now we get how many pairs are there. And how many pairs are there would be 100, which is the number of terms there are here, divided by 2, which is 50. So our final answer is 1. Because 50/50 is equal to 101 times 50, and the same thing is both on the numerator and denominator. So we have 1 as our final answer.